rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? Doing a video on the GMWB5000G-2. That's the metal series G-Shock with the resin bands. But let's take a look. Here's the model number, GMWB5000G-2CR with the module of 3459. This is the Bluetooth series watch. And in the box comes your warranty cards, your instruction manual for the 3459 module and the 3461 module. And let's take a look at this puppy. Wearing the GM5600, the green camel one. Did a video on that. If you haven't seen it already, please check that one out. But look at this one. Oh, yes. Let's take a look, guys. If you're in the market for one of these, highly recommended. Nice, hefty weight to it. Beautiful blue bezel. Now let's take this plastic off so we can get a good look at the watch itself. Right there. There she is. Wow. Look at that. It's hard. You have to put it in right kind of lighting to get a good look at the actual color of the bezel. Now this one again is black resin. Black resin. Oops. Black resin bands. The blue IP band keeper in metal. And the blue beautiful bezel. Now, it's cool because the display itself, although it's negative black, or negative display, I should say, it's actually blue in color. So it's cool because it matches the LCD. The bezel matches the LCD, if you can see that. Now, you have a nice solar panel checkered there on the top of the glass. You can see it around there. All right. Now, this is, once again, this is the Bluetooth edition. So you have your standard modes, world time, alarm, stopwatch, timer, back to your home time. And if you, of course, you can set it up with your G-Shock app on your phone for easy access. This watch has a nice screw back, 3459 module, multi-band 6, solar and atomic. Beautiful watch, guys. Now, I can't stop staring at the great looking blue metal bezel. Oh God, they did such a great job. I know it's a nice little combination. It's great because it's comfortable with the resin, but it's also a great color, guys. I just can't stop looking at it. It's very cool. All right. Once again, this is the GM5600 camouflage green non-Bluetooth. So it's got the metal bezel without the Bluetooth technology. So yes, this bezel and this bezel are interchangeable, which means that you could ideally switch out all the components and make this watch a Bluetooth watch. Very simple, actually. Switch out the bezel, switch out the bands, and you, my friend, have a Bluetooth GM5600. Yeah, the bezel should fit and the bands should fit. The only difference is that probably can't switch out the module, but nevertheless, it'll be a cool project. But there you guys have it, the GMB5000G-2 metal series G-Shock. All right, guys. Until next time, this is Chicago. I'm out of here. Holla at your boy. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G.